This is an overview of the steps to create a GoGuardian class and apply a scene to it. We'll begin by opening a Chrome browser and make sure you're logged into your APS account. Go to teacher.goguardian.com and sign in using the Sign In with Google option. We'll click Add Classroom. If you have already created a Google Classroom, you can simply scroll to the bottom of the window and select Add Google Classroom, followed by the Google Classroom you wish to add. If you do not have a Google Classroom, then give your GoGuardian Classroom a name, a subject. You can optionally add a description or assign a default scene if you have one prepared, a tile color, and then add the classroom. We recommend using the auto scheduling option and avoid going beyond your normal class times, as it may interfere with other teachers' GoGuardian sessions. If you create a classroom manually rather than a Google Classroom, you will now see the option to add students. The simplest way to add individual students is by email address. Use their student ID number followed by @aps.edu. To begin a class session manually, open the class. Go to the Sessions tab, specify a time limit, choose a scene to guide the student's web activity, and start the session. To initiate a chat with any one of the students, click Enable Chat, the speech bubble, select the student, and type your message. If you need to send a message to the entire group, be sure to use the announcement mode. At the bottom of each student's window, you'll see icons representing the other tabs that they have open. Click on one to expand it. You have the option from here to be able to close a tab if needed. To limit student web activity more automatically, you can create a scene. You can start from an active session or from the menu icon. This is an example of a semi-restricted scene. We're in Allow mode, but we can specify specific URLs to block right here. We can also limit the number of open tabs that we'll allow. Be sure to update your scene after you've made changes. And now let's set a scene that's more restrictive. Here we're in block mode, but we can select any exceptions from the list here on the right. We can also set the first tab to automatically open to our URL. And limit the number of allowed tabs. And we update, return to the class, and apply the scene. You'll see the student screens change. We hope you'll find GoGuardian to be a useful tool for managing student devices. Thank you.